Okay, so she said I don't give a hug, so y'all saw me give her a hug, see? Okay, so this is my mama. She let me do her hair, and I'm gonna show y'all what I did. If y'all stay tuned through the video, you will see how I braided her hair down, the hair that I used, and some of the products that I used, which wasn't really much. But if you like it, stay tuned. This is just another crochet style that, you know, I love to do. Stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, she's showing out for y'all. Alright, so the type of hair I am using is Freetress Bohemian Braid hair, and it's 20 inches. This hair is really soft. It's curly. The only thing I did was I took the hair out the pack, cut it in half, and depending on the thickness of each strand, I split it in between 2 to 3 times, and then I just crocheted it in her head. One of the tricks that I am going to let you all know about is whenever you have loose braids in the back, and let's say if you don't want to sew the hair down, or if for her sake she didn't like her braids to be tight in the back, so they're very loose, and I just crocheted the loose braid to an actual scalp braid to make it tighter, and it works. So you will kind of see me do that throughout the video. I just put the crochet needle through the scalp braid, and then I put it through the tail braid that I connected, see, and I'm just making the curl hair go through it, tie it, boom, it's tight. If you ever want to bring braids closer together, you can also use this same method. If the hair slips, which you typically will see through or with curly hair or straight hair, which is very soft, you can double knot it. So I would actually crochet it, take the tail through the loop, and then I would take one of the pieces of hair like this. I split it and I tie that one leg into a knot, and that will also secure the hair and make sure it doesn't move. So you'll see me doing that a few times through her head. And I'm just going to let y'all watch the video. If y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you post them in the comment box below. You can add me on my Instagram page, which is Mekia504. My business page is EnhanceMek. You can also add me there if you want to see more hairstyles or eyelash styles or whatever you all want to do, because I do some side hustles as well. So yeah, watch the video. Let me know how y'all like it. If y'all have any questions, make sure you post them below. If there's a video that you all would like to see me do, or a hairstyle that you would like to see me recreate, please do so. I actually just redyed my mom's hair, so that's why you see her edges are very light. You will actually see more of that, or a closer look of that, when I try to swoop her edges in the front. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Happy holidays, and let me know if y'all have any questions. Bye. Alright, so this is the finished product. Personally, I love the way that it looks. I'm just about to put her edges down, or lay them down. And my mom does not really like big hair, so I got to use some mousse to kind of define the curls and make it a little bit flatter for her. But this is what I was saying when I told you I dye her hair blonde and you can barely see the edges because the hair is so light. This is what I was talking about. Now you can actually see it better in person than you can on the camera. She jumped because the mousse skeeted out on her. I guess this would be the bloopers of the video. If only you could hear what she was saying. But this is the mousse. It was just a $5 curl mousse that I got from the beauty supply store. It's really, really good. I don't know why it came out the way that it did at first, but it works. And you just put it on the hair. If you want to lather each strand, you can separate the hair and do it in sections. It will give it a flatter look as well. I'm not a huge fan of using a lot of mousse because I feel like mousse can make the hair dry unless you use oil. And because this is not human hair, I also don't want to put oil on the hair and it mess up the pattern or doesn't make the style last as long as I would like it to. So this is it. You just put the mousse on it. As you can see, the style is tight, but I'm pulling and tugging, and this does not hurt her head. Crochet braids are some of the most lightweight, easiest styles that you can do. So if y'all want this style done and you're in an area where I am, contact me. I got you. If you were just coming on to see how you can do this yourself, please take note. Let me know how it comes out. If you all have done this style and want to share it, please tag me in it so I can see. But this is a style. It's really pretty and it lasts long. Take a look.